Emma, you're home early. Where's your dad?
He dropped me at home and left quickly.
Left quickly? Did he say where he was going?
No, he just stopped the car suddenly and told me to go inside.
That doesn't sound normal at all.
He was holding his phone the whole time, talking to someone.
Who was he talking to?
I don't know, but it sounded like a woman.
A woman? What exactly did you hear?
She sounded upset, like she was crying or arguing.
And what did your father say?
He kept saying, "I'll be there soon, don't worry."
Did he explain anything to you in the car?
No, he barely spoke to me. He looked stressed,
Stressed how?
like something serious had happened. He kept checking the rearview mirror and speeding up.
That's really strange. Did he mention where he was going after dropping you?
Only, I have to go now. Then he rushed out of the car.
And he didn't call me at all?
No, he just drove off immediately after I got home.
Something doesn't feel right. I need to call him right now. Your dad still hasn't called me.
Maybe he's busy.
He never disappears without telling me first.
The phone call sounded important.
Did you hear the woman's name?
No, but he said, "I'm coming now."
That makes no sense.
He parked the car fast and told me to go inside immediately.
Now I'm really worried. I'm going to call him right now. Alex, where are you right now?
Jane, I'm busy. I'll call you later.
Don't hang up on me. Emma said you were talking to a woman on the phone.
She told you that
Yes, she did. Now explain what's going on.
it's complicated.
Complicated? You rushed Emma home and disappeared without a word.
I didn't have time to explain.
Then explain now, who is the woman?
Jane, please lower your voice.
Don't tell me to calm down. You've been acting strange all day.
I'm trying to handle something serious.
Serious enough to hide from your wife?
I'm not hiding anything.
Then why do you sound nervous?
Because this situation is difficult.
What situation?
I can't tell you over the phone.
Why not? Are you with her right now?
Jane,
Answer me.
yes, I'm with her.
I knew it.
No, it's not what you think.
Then what am I supposed to think?
If I explain now, it could make things worse.
Worse than disappearing with another woman.
Please trust me for a few more hours.
Trust? You left your daughter at home and vanished.
I had no choice.
Everybody has a choice, Alex.
Not this time.
Where are you?
I can't say.
Why are you hiding your location from me?
Because someone could get hurt if I say too much.
What are you talking about? You're scaring me.
I never wanted you involved in this.
Involved in what?
I'll come home soon and tell you everything. Please, wait till then.
I don't understand why he's hiding things from me.
Maybe there's another explanation.
Then why wouldn't he tell me?
He did seem stressed.
I've called him 3 times already.
Did he answer?
No, and now his phone is off.
That's unusual.
Something is definitely going on.
I hope everything is okay.
Finally, you decided to come home.
Jane, please let me explain everything.
Explain? Do you know what time it is?
I know, and I'm sorry.
Sorry isn't enough. You disappeared for hours without a single message.
Things got out of control.
Emma said you were talking to a woman on the phone. Before you rushed away.
Her name is Sarah.
Who exactly is Sarah?
She's an old family friend.
Funny how I've never heard her name before.
We haven't spoken in years until today.
Then why was she suddenly so important? That you abandoned your family?
Because she called me crying and begging for help.
And you couldn't tell your own wife that?
I didn't want you to panic before I knew what was happening.
Instead, you made everything look suspicious.
I understand that now.
Where were you all this time?
At the hospital,
Hospital?
Sarah's mother collapsed at home. She was alone and didn't know what to do.
So you rushed there immediately?
Yes, she was terrified.
Why didn't she call an ambulance herself?
She did, but she needed someone with her.
And your phone suddenly stopped working too?
The battery died while we were waiting in emergency.
Convenient timing.
Jane, please don't do this. I'm telling you the truth.
I spent the whole evening imagining the worst.
I never wanted that. Sorry, Jane. Please don't be angry.
So there's really nothing else going on?
No, I would never betray you.
Then why did you sound so nervous on the phone?
Sarah was crying and panicking.
I guess I imagined the worst.
Anyone would have been suspicious in your position.
I just wish you had trusted me enough to explain sooner.
You're right. I handled it badly.
Next time, please tell me the truth immediately.
I promise I will.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps us create more helpful videos for you.